To show or hide more tiles on Start in Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click or tile set menu icon, and then click or tile settings icon. Select personalization. Select Start. And then to show more tiles on Start, tile switch until on, or to hide, tile switch until off. If you turn on show more tiles on Start, you can see tails reduce. If you turn off, no. Okay. Or you can also right click in empty area in desktop and then select personalize. And then select Start. Turn show more tiles on Start, tap switch until on to show or tap until off to hide. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.